Okay, you want to do the coffee for mommy? Okay, you do. Are you sure you know how to do it?
It's red light.
Red light means?
No.
Okay, then you do it, huh?
And this is green light.
Have water already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, need to wait. Okay, very good.
Coffee coming. Ooh,
Wow, you know how to do. Very good.
Let us done.
Why is it you know how to do and me I don't?
Oh.
You need to teach me.
No more already.
Okay then.
So need another one.
I will take out for you, okay?
No, cannot.
Oh.
Still have to pay.
Oh, no more already.
Yeah. Still have.
No more. Okay, I will take out.
I will.
Okay, Ken. Okay, then you throw it.
In the dustbin?
Yeah, throw in the dustbin. Yeah. Then you do again.
It's not full.
But next time you remember you need to make sure it's on, huh? Okay. Oh.
Again. It's still number 2.
Okay, now it's done.
Ooh.
You say, that's it, everyone.
That's it, everyone.
That's how you make coffee.
That's how you make a coffee. Oh, it's still dripping.
Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.